How to schedule an email in Gmail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search mail.google.com and log into your Gmail. After that, on the left side, click on Compose. After you click on Compose, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, type in who you want to send it to. Add your subject and add what you want to send in your mail. Then, beside send, you'll find the arrow option. Click on it. After you click on arrow-like option, click on schedule send. You'll find three options. You can also pick date and time by clicking on pick date and time. From here, you can pick date and time and press on schedule send at the bottom. After you've clicked on schedule send, it will be scheduled and it will be sent in the specific time. This is how to schedule an email in Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.